Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're diving into the world of home espresso today. Checking out the Breville Barista Pro, right?
Exactly. And going head-to-head with the DeLonghi Magnifica XS. I'm excited to see which one comes out on top for our listeners.
Okay, let's dive in. First impressions. The Barista Pro BES878BTR is all about speed and precision. It boasts Breville's thermojet heating system, promising espresso-ready temperature in a lightning-fast 3 seconds.
The Magnifica XS ECAM 22110SB, on the other hand, seems to be championing simplicity and space-saving design. Perfect for smaller kitchens, right? But both have integrated burr grinders, which is a asterisk huge plus. No pre-ground compromises here.
Absolutely. Breville emphasizes dose control grinding with its precision conical burr grinder. It's designed to deliver exactly the right amount of coffee on demand.
The DeLonghi also packs a burr grinder, but with a whopping 13 adjustable settings, so maybe a bit more flexibility there to dial in your perfect grind.
So both are aiming for that fresh grind, which is key for a good shot. It really comes down to how much control you want over the process. Now, temperature is crucial. The Barista Pro features digital temperature control, PID, ensuring water is delivered at the right temperature, plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius for optimal extraction.
The Magnifica XS focuses on consistent brewing, automatically brewing each cup to the perfect temperature, richness, and density. Less fiddling, more consistent results, maybe? Seems like they both care about getting the temperature right, just in different ways. One's precise, the other's consistent.
I like that the Breville has an LCD display showing grinding and extraction progress. It gives you real-time feedback.
The DeLonghi keeps it simple with manual controls and button interface. No screen to navigate, just straightforward operation.
Yeah, so it depends if you want more tech and feedback or a straightforward, classic experience. Milk frothing time. The Barista Pro Steam Wand allows you to hand texture microfoam milk, which is essential for latte art.
The DeLonghi uses a manual frother, their cappuccino system, to create creamy froth. It mixes steam and milk, letting you adjust for your preferred foam density. So both offer manual milk frothing, which lets you customize your latte art and milk texture. It's about personal preference here.
The Breville has a slightly larger water tank, 67 ounces, which is great if you're making multiple drinks.
The DeLonghi is more compact, reflecting its XS name, and has a 60-ounce water tank.
If counter space is a concern, the DeLonghi might be the better bet. Plus, it's a bit lighter, 19.84 pounds, versus the Breville's 19.5 pounds. The Barista Pro is part of the Barista series, which means it's designed for aspiring home baristas who want more control.
And the Magnifica XS is all about being your own barista with ease and convenience, especially if you want a super-automatic machine. I think both machines are great choices for someone who wants to enjoy quality espresso at home. It just depends on your priorities. Speed and precision versus simplicity and space saving.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.